Hello, students. I hope you all are quite healthy, fit, and fine at your home. And even I hope you have gone through the first part of this chapter, Lost Spring. Okay, clear? In this video, we will discuss the remaining part, that is, I want to drive a car. Okay, in which the writer has tried to show the miserable plight of the miserable life of the Bengal makers. Okay, but before moving ahead, let me ask you some questions based on the first part we studied earlier. We have studied earlier. Okay, students, what is Sahib looking for in the garbage dumps? Where is he and where has he come from? So the answer is quite simple. Sahib, a rag picker, is looking for gold in the garbage dumps. Okay, and he is living in Simapuri, a place on the periphery of Delhi. Okay, he belongs to Dhaka in Bangladesh, and he has migrated from he migrated to Delhi. He migrated from Dhaka, and now he is now in Delhi. Okay. What explanation does the author offer for the children not wearing footwear? So the author says that it is not lack of money, paise community, but a tradition to remain to stay barefoot. Okay, this is one of the explanation given by the author. Is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Explain. So Sahib is not happy working at the tea stall. No doubt he is paid 800 rupee and all his meal, but he has lost his carefree look. Okay, clear? Uh, the steel canister that he carries seems heavier than the plastic bag he had carried so lightly over his shoulder. Okay. Moreover, the bag belonged to him, whereas the canister belongs to the man who owns the tea shop. Sahib is no longer his own master. Okay, clear? So this is the recap of this segment. Let us go through the next segment, that is I want to drive a car. You can see here. I want to drive a car. Okay. Mukesh insists on being his own master. Okay. I will be a motor mechanic, he announces. Okay. And the author once met Mukesh, a Bengal maker. He insists on being his own master, means he wants to live the life as per his own conditions and as per his wishes. Okay, even he wants to pursue a career, or you can say he wants to be a motor mechanic instead of being a Bengal maker. He wants to be a motor mechanic. Do you know anything about cars? I asked. Then the author asked if he knew anything regarding cars. Cars के बारे में कुछ जानता है कि नहीं? I will learn to drive, he answers, looking straight into my eyes. His dream looms like a mirage amidst the dust of streets that fills his town, Firozabad, famous for its bangles. Every other family in Firozabad is engaged in making bangles. So here, when he clearly told the author that he wants to be a motor mechanic, then the author asked him if he knew anything about cars. So he, with great determination, told that he would learn to drive a car. Okay, clear? And saying this, it seems the author that his dreams looms like mirage. You know what mirage is? Mirage is an illusion. Means in the dusty street of this shanty town, Firozabad, his dreams लुक लाइक मिराज एंड इल्यूजन. ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि सपने, ये खाली एक उसका एक सपना, एक भ्रम मात्र है कि वो एक मोटर मैकेनिक बन जाएगा. ओके, because every other family in Firozabad is engaged in making bangle. Means the every other family of his caste, they all belong to a bangle making family. Means their primary occupation is making bangles. Okay, clear? It is the center of India's glass blowing industry, where families have spent generations working around the furnaces, welding glass, making bangles for all the women in the land, it seems. Here, the writer has used a hyperbolic statement, overstatement, कि Firozabad is the epicenter of, is the center of glass blowing industry of India. Okay, and it seems that it appears that they are making bangles for all the women in the land. इस धरती पर सभी औरतों के लिए यही चूड़ियाँ बना रहे हैं. So here he has used hyperbole. Okay, she has used hyperbole. Sorry. Mukesh family is among them. None of them know how to. Sorry. None of them know how that it is illegal for children like him to work in the glass furnaces with high temperatures in dingy cells without air and light, and that the law, if enforced, could get him and all those 20,000 children out of the hot furnaces where they slog their daylight hours, often losing the brightness of their eyes. Okay, so none of them were aware. They were unaware. They were not know. They did not know that it was quite illegal for them to put these small children at work. Okay, because uh, in India, child labor is quite prohibited, and they knew it. They don't know if the law is enforced. Uh, okay, अगर कानून लागू किया जाए तो it could get Mukesh and other Bengal makers, other 20,000 children out of the hot furnaces. Okay, मतलब उन हॉट फर्नेसेस से बाहर निकाल सकते, मतलब हॉट फर्नेसेस जो है ना, जो फैक्ट्री जहाँ पे वो वेयर दे slog they spend their daylight hours, and even often this they often lose their brightness of their eyes, आंखों की रोशनी भी उनकी चली जाती है इस ऐसी डिंजी डार्क सेल्स में वो काम करते हैं. तो 20,000 बच्चे निकल सकते हैं इफ़ द लॉ इज़ इन्फोर्स्ड. Okay, and you know, laws are never respected or nor you can say enforced in India properly, and it was happened. Na, it did happen. Okay, but nowadays the conditions are quite good. Okay, Mukesh eyes beam as he volunteers to take me home, which he proudly says is being rebuilt. Okay, Mukesh got to volunteer, means he is willing to take the writer to his home. Okay, and he has proud in his eyes when he said कि his house is being rebuilt, दोबारा बनाया जा रहा है. We walk down stinking lanes choked with garbage, past homes and that remain oval with crumbling walls, wobbly doors, no window, crowded with families of humans and animals coexisting in a primeval state. You know what primeval state is? Primeval state means in primary stage, at primary stage. Okay, clear? Okay, or you can say in an ancient way. Okay, clear? So they passed the garbage stuffed lanes, street. Okay, clear? And they were choked, blocked with garbage. Okay, and houses, the houses were looked like hovels means houses that are dirty and unfit to live. So they went past by some houses that are dirty and unfit. Okay, with crumbling walls breaking into small pieces and wobbly doors shaking, हिलते हुए दरवाजे, ऐसे घरों के पास से गुजरे. ओके, एंड कहाँ पर, इन विच ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल्स दे बोथ लिव टुगेदर इन अंडर द सेम रूफ एंड इन एन एंशंट स्टेट. पुरानी व्यवस्था में वैसे ही रहते थे. ओके, he stops at the door of one such house, bangs a wobbly iron door with his foot and pushes it open. We enter a half-built shack, In one part of it, thatched with dead grass, is a firewood stove over which sits a large vessel, platters and uh, vessel of sizzling spinach leaves. Okay, ऐसे ही घर के सामने जाके रुके एंड ही बैंग ओपन द डोर, दरवाजे को लात मार के झटके से उसने खोला. ओके, एंड दे एंटर्ड अ हाफ बिल्ट शेक. शेक होती है एक स्मॉल बिल्डिंग यूजुअली मेड ऑफ वुड एंड मेटल. ठीक है, छोटी सी बिल्डिंग जो वुड लकड़ी से बनी हुई थी ना, छप्पर, उससे उसके नीचे पहुंचते हैं. एंड देन दे फाउंड कि एक हाफ बिल्ट उस थैच रेडेड ग्रास के नीचे एक फायरवुड स्टोव जल रहा है, जिसके ऊपर, चूल्हे के ऊपर, एक बड़े से वेसल में पालक के जो बीज हैं, वो जो है पत्ते, देवर सिजलिंग बॉइलिंग, उनको बॉईल किया जा रहा था. ऑन द ग्राउंड इन लार्ज एल्यूमिनियम प्लेटर्स आर मोर चॉप्ड वेजिटेबल्स. और ऑन द ग्राउंड दे कुड सी इन लार्ज प्लेट्स, एल्यूमिनियम की प्लेट थी, उसके ऊपर सम कट वेजिटेबल्स वर पुट, रखी हुई थी. अ फ्रेल अ वीक वुमन is cooking the evening meal for the whole family. Through eyes filled with smoke, she smiles. She is the wife of Mukesh elder brother. Okay, और अपनी आँखों में से that are full of smoke, she smiled, मुस्कुराने की कोशिश करती है. ओके, एंड शी इज़ द वाइफ ऑफ मुकेश एल्डर ब्रदर, मुकेश के बड़े भाई की वाइफ है वो. ठीक है, नॉट मच ओल्डर इन ईयर्स, शी हैज़ बिगन टू कमांड रिस्पेक्ट एज बहू. ओके, ज़्यादा उम्र में बड़ी भी नहीं है, बट शी गोट रिस्पेक्ट एज द बहू ऑफ द हाउस. ओके, शी इवन बहू इज कॉल्ड द डॉटर इन लॉ. Okay, often uh, already in charge of three men. She is the in charge of three men: her husband Mukesh and her father. Okay, students. When the older man enters, she gently withdraws behind the broken wall and brings her veil closer to her face. Okay, जब वो बड़ा आदमी मुकेश फादर entered the house, she gently, politely went behind the wall and covered her face with the veil. घूंघट से अपना फेस ढक लिया. एज कस्टम डिमांड्स, डॉटर्स इन लॉ मस्ट वेल देयर फेसेस बिफोर मेल एल्डर्स. ये तो अपना ट्रेडिशन है ना बेटा, कि बहुओं को अपना मुंह ढकना पड़ता है जब बड़े बुजुर्ग घर के अंदर, मेल बुजुर्ग जो है वो अंदर आए तब. इन दिस केस एल्डर, द एल्डर इज एन इम्पोवरिश बेंगल मेकर. ओके, और इस केस में अगर हम बात करें तो ये एक इम्पोवरिश पुअर इमेशिएटेड बेंगल मेकर है, बड़ा आदमी. डिस्पाइट लॉन्ग ईयर्स ऑफ हार्ड लेबर, फर्स्ट एज अ टेलर देन बेंगल मेकर, ही हैज़ फेल्ड टू renovate means rebuild a house, send his two son to school. Okay, so he began his career as a tailor, then he switched over to bengal making. Okay, and in spite of hard labor for the survival, he got failed to renovate, to rebuild their house and to send his two son to school. अपने दोनों बच्चों को स्कूल भी नहीं भेज पाया अपनी गरीबी की वजह से. All he has managed to do is teach them what he knows, the art of making bangles. और जो भी वो जानता था वो अपने बच्चों को सिखा दिया. क्या? आर्ट ऑफ बेंगल मेकिंग bangles. Okay, okay students, let us move to the next para. It is his karam, his destiny, says Mukesh grandmother. Mukesh grandmother said कि it is his karam, his destiny. Okay, who watched her own husband go blind with the dust from polishing द ग्लास ऑफ बेंगल्स. कि जिसने अपने पति को देखा है अंधे होते हुए विद द डस्ट दैट इज दैट यू कैन से मेक देयर आइज ब्लाइंड. ओके, व्हेन दे पॉलिश द बेंगल्स को जब पॉलिश करते हैं तो उसमें कुछ स्प्रे उड़ती है जिसकी वजह से अंधे हो जाते हैं बाद में. कैन अ गॉड गिवन लीनियज एवर बी ब्रोकन? यू नो, लीनियज मीन्स एंसेस्ट्री. कि कैन द वर्क दैट their ancestor has adopted or the lineage or ancestry ever be broken? Means Mukesh grandmother thought no one can get over हिज लीनिएज। कोई इसको ब्रोक नहीं कर सकता, तोड़ ब्रेक नहीं कर सकता, तोड़ नहीं सकता इसको। Okay, born in the caste of Bengal makers, she have they have nothing, they have seen nothing but Bengals in the house, in the yard, in every other house, in every other yard, every street in the Firozabad. In Firozabad means being in the caste of Bengal makers, they have seen nothing except Bengals in every other house, every other corner, every other yard, or in every street of Firozabad. They have seen bangles. Okay, spirals of bangles: sunny gold, paddy green, royal blue, pink, purple, every color born out of 7 colors of rainbow. Okay, they have seen bangles, the spirals of bangles in of every color that you can see in a rainbow में जो 7 कलर दिखते हैं इन सब के यहाँ पे, इन सभी रंगों की चूड़ियाँ यहाँ पे मिलती हैं. लाई इन माउंड्स, माउंड्स मीन्स हीप, अनकेम्प्ड यार्ड, अनटाइडी यार्ड्स में, अनटाइडी यू कैन से आंगन में ये ढेरों पड़ी रहती हैं. आर पाइल्ड ऑन 4 व्हील्ड हैंड कार्ट्स, और कभी कभी तो इनका ढेर लगाया जाता है हैंड कार्ट्स में, हाथ से खींचने वाली गाड़ियों में. पुश्ड बाय यंग मैन अलोंग द नैरो लेन्स ऑफ द सेंटी टाउन, और उनको धक्का लगाया जाता है सेंटी टाउन में, इस गंदे डर्टी टाउन में धक्का लगाते हैं कौन, छोटे छोटे बच्चे, टू सेल देम आउट. ओके, इन एंड इन डार्क अटमेंट्स next to lines of flames of flickering oil lamps sit boys and girls with their fathers and mothers welding pieces of colored glass into circles of bangles. Okay, clear. और अंधेरे इन आर्ट इन डार्क अटमेंट्स, डार्क अटमेंट्स, अटमेंट्स मीन्स हट्स, झोपड़ियाँ, छोटी छोटी झोपड़ियों में, अंधेरी झोपड़ियों में जो फ्लिकरिंग लैंप जो होता है ना, ऑयल लैंप, उसकी लो के सामने लाइनों में बैठ जाते हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चे, लड़के और लड़कियां, अपने फादर और अपने मदर्स के साथ वेल्ड करते हुए, जॉइंट करते हुए पीसीज ऑफ कलर ग्लास सर्किल ऑफ बेंगल्स, बेंगल्स के सर्किल्स को जॉइंट करते हुए बैठते हैं. देयर आइज आर मोर एडजस्टेड टू द डार्क देन द लाइट आउटसाइड. ओके, that is why they often end up losing their eyesight before they become adults. Okay, you know, they have to work in dark dingy cells. Okay, so their eyes were more adjusted to the dark than the bright light. Okay, so this is the reason that they go blind before they come of adult age, before they become adult. अडल्ट बनने से पहले उनकी आंखों की रोशनी चली जाती है. सविता, a young girl in a drab pink dress sits alongside an elderly woman soldering pieces of glass. As her hands move mechanically like the tongue of a machine, I wonder if she knows the sanctity of the bangles she helps make. Okay, सविता जो कि एक छोटी लड़की है, इन अ डल पिंक ड्रेप्स में वो बैठी हुई है एक एल्डरली वुमन के पास, सोल्डरिंग, जॉइंटिंग द पीस ऑफ ग्लास. ओके, उसके हाथ, हर हैंड मूव मैकेनिकली लाइक अ मशीन, मशीन की तरह से मूव करते हैं. ओके, एंड द ऑथर वंडर्स इफ शी नोज द सेंक्टिटी, सेंक्टिटी मीन्स द पायसनेस ऑफ द बेंगल्स सी हेल्प मेक. राइटर को अचंभा होता है, सरप्राइज होती है कि क्या वो चूड़ियों की पवित्रता को जानती है. ओके, it symbolizes the an Indian woman's suhag, auspiciousness in marriage. Okay, the bangles are the symbol of Indian woman's suhag. उसकी सुहाग की निशानी होती है बेटा ये चूड़ियाँ. ऑस्पिशियसनेस जो पायसनेस जो होती है ना, पवित्रता जो है शादी की, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करती हैं चूड़ियाँ. It will dawn on her suddenly one day when her head is draped with a red veil and her hands dyed with red henna and red bangles rolled onto her wrist. She will then become a bride. Okay, करें कि एक दिन ऐसा होगा कि she will dressed in a red dress. Okay, a red dupatta will put on her head. Okay, and her hands were dyed in will be dyed in red henna. Okay, लाल मेहंदी उसके हाथ पे लगेगी. ओके, एंड रेड बेंगल्स विल roll on her wrist. देन शी विल बिकम अ ब्राइड, वो दुल्हन बन जाएगी फिर एक एक दिन। कैसे? लाइक द ओल्ड वुमन बिसाइड हर हु बिकेम वन मैनी ईयर्स अगो, शी स्टिल हैज़ बैंगल्स ऑन हर रिस्ट बट नो लाइट इन हर आइज। ओके, तो करिए कि वो बिल्कुल वैसी दुल्हन बन जाएगी जैसे कि वो जो एल्डरली वुमन विद विद होम शी वॉज सिटिंग, जिसके पास वो बैठी हुई थी, जैसे वो बनी थी ना, ऐसे वो बन जाएगी एक दुल्हन। ओके, सी स्टिल हैड बैंगल्स अराउंड हर रिस्ट बट नो आइज इन हर आइज, आंखों में नो लाइट इन हर आइज, आंखों में कोई रोशनी नहीं है। एक वक्त शेर भर खाना भी नहीं खाया, सेज शी सेज इन अ वॉइस ड्रेन्ड ऑफ जॉय। ओके, तो कह रही है कि विद अ ग्रेट लेमेंट शी, विद अ ग्रेट लेमेंट, और यू कैन से sorrow, she said कि she had even not enjoyed one full meal in her entire lifetime. Okay, पूरे ज़िंदगी में एक शेर भर खाना भी ढंग से मतलब खाना नहीं खाया उसने, पेट भर के खाना नहीं खाया अपने लाइफ टाइम में। ओके, क्लियर? एंड दैट्स व्हाट शी हैज़ रीप्ड, और यही है उसकी लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट कि भूखे पेट सोना पड़ता था, एक टाइम खाना मिलता था बस। ओके, her husband, an old man with a flowing beard, says, I know nothing except bangles. All I have done is make a house for family to live in. Okay, and her husband, who proudly can say that his lifetime achievement is that he has been able to make a house of his own, अपना घर बनाया, बस यही है। And he knew nothing but making bangle, but make means he knows nothing but the art of making bangles only. Okay, hearing him, one wonders if he has achieved uh, what many have failed in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head, और इसको सुनकर ऐसा लगता है कि he has got, he has achieved something that so many people have not achieved yet. कई लोग ऐसे तो इस तरह चीज़ें अचीव कर नहीं पा रहे थे, उसने कम से कम अपना घर तो बनाया। ही हैज़ अ रूफ ओवर हिज हेड, सर के ऊपर कम से कम एक छत तो है। ओके, क्लियर? The cry of not having money to do anything except carry on the business of making bangles, not even not enough to eat, rings in every home। कह रहा है कि ये जो दुख है ना, of not having money, not having enough money to run their own business, okay, and even not enough to eat, not having enough to eat, इट रिंग्स इन एवरी होम। हर घर में यही एक दुख गूंजता है कि उनके पास पैसे नहीं है, साधन नहीं है, ओके, खाना नहीं है। द यंग मैन इको द लेमेंट ऑफ देयर एल्डर्स, जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, द इको द लेमेंट ऑफ देयर एल्डर्स, एल्डर्स के जो दुख है ना उनको गुंजाते हैं वो। ओके, लिटिल हैज़ मूव्ड विद टाइम इट सेम्स इन फिरोजाबाद। ओके, देर आर little people, you can say there are few people who have moved with the time, मतलब जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ को थोड़ा चेंज किया, अपने बिजनेस को चेंज किया। कुछ एक ना के बराबर ऐसे लोग हैं जो ऐसा किया कर पाए होंगे। years of mind numbing toil have killed all initiative and the ability to dream। ओके, ये जो माइंड नमिंग टॉयल है ना, माइंड नमिंग टॉयल मीन्स वेरी डल एंड बोरिंग, टॉयल मीन्स हार्ड वर्क। ये जो लॉन्ग हार्ड वर्क है ना, it has killed all their initiatives, means they can't even initiate to uh, bring happiness and prosperity in their lives। okay, even it has killed their ability to dream, सपना लेने की जो उनकी जो योग्यता है ना उसको भी उसने ख़त्म कर दिया है। Why not organize yourself into a cooperative? I ask a young man, a group of young men who have fallen into the vicious circle of middlemen who trapped their fathers and forefathers. Okay. Then one day the writer asked a group of young men, जवान बच्चों के ग्रुप से पूछा कि अच्छा, who the young men are? These young men are those whose father and forefathers have been caught in the circle of middlemen who trapped their father and forefathers, है ना, वो जो जिसमें एक विशेष सर्किल में फंस गए थे, कुछ चक्कर में फंस गए थे. तो शी आस्क्ड why they could not organize themselves into cooperative. बोले तुम कोऑपरेटिव, अपने आप को कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी वगैरह क्यों नहीं बनाते हो, इकट्ठे क्यों नहीं होते, एक साथ अपने मिलकर काम करो. Even if we get organized, we are the ones who will hold up by the police, uh, beaten and dragged to jail for doing something illegal. Then the young man replied that even if they try to get organized, okay, they will dragged up to jail by the police and beaten up for doing something illegal. कि पुलिस भी उनके साथ मिली हुई है, और ये अगर ऑर्गेनाइज होने की कोशिश भी करते हैं ना, तो पुलिस उनको गिरफ्तार करके ले जाएगी और उनको ऐसे ट्रीट करेगी जैसे कि एज इफ दे हैड डन समथिंग इलीगल. दे से there is no leader among them, no one could help them see things differently. Okay, then it was made them clear कि there was no leader among them, कोई लीडर नहीं था. and even they don't have anyone who could see things differently, जो अलग से सोच सके, who could take any initiative, कोई ऐसा था ही नहीं. okay, their okay, their fathers are as tired as they are. Okay, even their father, they all were tired, sick of their lives, and even they don't even know how to get over all these things. Okay, they talk endlessly in a spiral. Spiral, ये word पहले भी आ चुका है. Spiral, this is spiral. uh, okay, the coil like figure. Okay, so they talk like a spiral. Clear? That begins with that moves from poverty, जो शुरुआत हुई, गरीबी से बात शुरू की गई, to apathy, then it leads to indifference. Okay, then to greed, then their life means they talk of the greed of the middleman, and to injustice, and the injustice being done with them by uh, those middlemen and others. Okay, listening to them, I see two distinct worlds. One of the family caught in the web of poverty, burdened by the stigma of the caste in which they are born, and the other, a vicious circle of Sahukar, the middlemen, policemen, keepers of law, the bureaucrats, and politicians. Okay? करेक्ट. लिसनिंग टू देम, उनकी बातें सुन के लगा ऐसा कि उसने देखा कि फिरोज़ाबाद में दो दुनिया हैं. एक दुनिया उन परिवारों की जो फंस चुकी हैं, वो विच आर कोट इन द वेब ऑफ पॉवर्टी, जो गरीबी के जाल में, बर्डन बाय द स्टिग्मा, है ना, जो इस कलंक में जी रहे हैं कि उनका, वो इस कास्ट में पैदा हुए हैं कि उनको बेंगल ही बनाने पड़ेंगे, है ना. ओके, एंड दी अदर, दूसरी जो दुनिया है वो क्या है, विशियस सर्किल ऑफ साहूकार. एक वो कुचक्र जो कि है साहूकार का. साहूकार कौन होते हैं? मनी लेंडर्स, दोज हु lend them money on high interest rate. Okay, the middleman, बिचौलिए, जो those who purchase things at low price and sells the article at a high price to the businessmen. Okay, to the shopkeepers. Okay, clear. And the keepers of law, the policemen. Okay, the bureaucrats, the officials, and the politicians too. Okay, these are the person who have made their lives miserable. Okay, clear. Together they put, they have imposed the baggage on the child that he cannot put down. और ये दोनों दुनिया मिलकर, साहूकार की और इनकी, और साथ में उन परिवारों की, इन दोनों दुनिया मिलकर, दे बोथ दीज वर्ल्ड दे पुट, दे इम्पोज, वो थोप देते हैं द बैगेज, वो बर्डन ऑन द चाइल्ड, चाइल्ड के ऊपर उसके कंधे पर रख देते हैं, दैट ही कैन नॉट पुट डाउन. मतलब दे बोथ imposed severe restrictions and lots of obligations that they could not even put down and even uh, turn down. Okay, before he is aware, इससे पहले कि वो जाने कि क्या हो रहा है उनकी लाइफ में, ही एक्सेप्ट इट एज नेचुरली एज हिज फादर, इससे पहले कि बच्चे को पता चले कि लाइफ कैसी होगी उसकी, ओके, तो एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है जैसे उसके फादर ने एक्सेप्ट किया था पहले। टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स वुड मीन टू डेयर, और फिरोजाबाद में, इन फिरोजाबाद, टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स मेकिंग बेंगल्स, बेंगल बनाने के अलावा कुछ और करने का मतलब होता है टू डेयर, हिम्मत दिखाना, एंड डेयरिंग इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप, और इन फिरोजाबाद हिम्मत दिखाना पेरेंट्स के सामने, और इवन टू ब्रेक द लीनियज, ओके, टू शो डेयरिंग, इट इज़ नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर ग्रोइंग अप, ये उनके ग्रोइंग का प्रोसीजर नहीं है भाई। व्हेन आई सेंस अ फ्लैश of it in Mukesh, I am cheered. Okay. When the author found a sense of change in Mukesh, she got very happy. I want to be a motor mechanic, he repeats. He will go to a garage and learn. Then, with great determination, he repeats that he want to be a motor mechanic, okay, and he will go to the garage and learn. कितना अच्छा है, अपना तरीके भी जानता है ना, he knows how he would be a motor mechanic, okay. But the garage is long way from home. I will ask, he insists. When the author asked in that the garage is quite away from his home, so he said he will walk on foot and go there. Okay, clear? Quite determined he is to learn or to be the motor mechanic. Okay. Do you also dream of flying a plane? Again, the writer asked a question, if he had any dream of flying a plane, कि क्या कभी हवाई जहाज उड़ाने का सपना आया है, तो he is suddenly silent. No, he says staring at the ground, बिल्कुल ग्राउंड की तरफ नजर करते हुए कहता है, in his small murmur, there is no embarrassment, there is an embarrassment, एक एम्बेरसमेंट थी, एक अशेम थी, एक शेम थी, एक शर्मिंदगी थी उसकी मरमर में, उसके लो साउंड में, दैट हैज़ नॉट yet turned into regret, that is not turned into regret means he has no regret that he was born in a caste of Bengal makers, okay, clear, he has dared to change his life, okay, clear. He is content to dream of cars that he sees hurtling down the street of his town. Okay, hurtling means moving very fast, and he is uh, a practical approach person. Okay, being a practical approach boy, he is satisfied of to dream of the cars that he could see moving fast in the dusty lane of dusty streets of his town Firozabad. Few aeroplanes fly over Firozabad because he knew it very well. Few aeroplanes means no aeroplanes fly over Firozabad means there is no high aspirations in his mind. Even he could be satisfied with his life if he got a chance to improve it. Okay, students. So this is the chapter I read for you. Okay, students. I hope you all have understood it. Let us discuss the questions of this segment. What makes the city of Firozabad famous? Okay, so the city of Firozabad is famous for Bengals. It is the center of India's glass blowing industry, where families have spent generations working around furnaces, welding glass, making bangles for all the women in the land. Okay, you can even underline these lines, and this will be the answer. Okay, mention the hazards of working in glass Bengal industry. So those who work in glass Bengal industry often face many hazards. Children who work in the glass furnaces with high temperatures in dingy cells without air and light often lose brightness of their eyes. Okay, one can go blind with the dust of polishing the glass bangles. This happened with Mukesh's grandmother. Okay, students, clear? And how is Mukesh attitude to his situation different from that of his family? Okay, it is an important questions. Mukesh belongs to the family that is engaged in making bangles. You know it very well. Mukesh family has spent generations working around the furnaces, welding glasses, making bangles for all the women in the land. Somehow, the family has reconciled the job uh, of making bangles, but Mukesh's attitude to his situation is different. He insists on being his own master. He wants to become a motor mechanic and learn to drive a car. Okay, he will go to a garage and learn. Okay, he is quite determined to become a motor mechanic. He dreams of cars that he sees hurtling down the streets of his town. Okay, students, clear? Clear, students? So these are the questions. Okay, here the writer has explained some of the figure of speech. Okay, go through them. Okay, and try to find out. Clear? Find out the figure of speech given in these lines. Okay, students, you can pause and find out. Okay, so this is all from my end regarding this lesson. Okay, clear, students? Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.